Good afternoon, everyone. We are currently here in Ay Bonito / Barranquitas, Puerto Rico, and we are going to go to Cañón San Cristobal. This is a place that I've been trying to go and visit for a couple of years already, but I think that today is the day that we're going to accomplish this.
Welcome.
All right, so we started walking the trail. Pretty nice. Now let's see what we find here.
Be outside, baby.
Muchas gracias.
Sí, por este lado acá, por ahí mismo.
Gracias.
Bien.
Sure. All right, so the gentleman here that owns this property, he directed us to go this way. So immediately after you go, after the green gate, you're gonna go into this trail from the property and you go all the way down. It's actually really beautiful. Look at all of this that they have planted here. They have banana trees. Pretty sick stuff here. Looks amazing with the views of the mountains in the background. Man, how beautiful can this get? All right, so the trail is now starting to get narrow. So far so good, nothing crazy just yet. I do expect to see some crazy stuff down here. You know, a bunch of locals have told us that it is a little crazy and to be very careful coming down here. So you know, we're trying our best here to be very cautious as we go down to the canyon. Let's see. All right, so it is starting to get a little steep, or a little more. So look, be very careful. But beautiful, exciting views throughout. All right, so one hole over here that you have to jump in and continue going forward. All right, so it is pretty steep going down here, so be very careful on this curve. As you can see, pretty steep. All right, so here's where we got to after that very steep climb. And, you know, we started all the way up there. Now we're down here. Looks like a really nice spot. So when you get to this area, we just crossed the little stream and we're headed to the right. Hopefully that's where the spot is going to be. The water looks beautiful already. You have to keep going up this way. Nice. Now we're going up here. Let's see if we find it up here. All right, so we got out of that little trail and we get to this area right here. I'm assuming this is a waterfall. Wow. Can't wait to get down there and get that shot. How nice is this? All to ourselves with a nice little waterfall. You can't beat this. This is sick. All right, so we made it here. We made it to these falls, but there's still more to go. We're trying to look for the actual spot that we've been looking for. We found this amazing spot, which is also a great place, but we got to go see if we can actually get the spot that we're really looking for. So we're sending out a drone right now, and Joan's actually capturing it. Joan is right there, and let's see if we can find it. But so far so good. I'm satisfied with this right here, but I definitely want to go to that beautiful blue water spot. So let's see if we find it. Check this out. All right, so we actually made it. I'm actually seeing this with my very own eyes, and I'm so happy that I got here. The disappointing thing is that it's either you jump from here into the water and then you pull yourself from this rope all the way back up. Now that is quite a climb for someone who has never really done this, and I'm very inexperienced when it comes to just free cliff jumping. I've done some cliffs before, but nothing like this. This is insane, although I'm not too worried about what happens when you get down. You can obviously see it's very deep water, so you're pretty much set. But at the same time, it's like you're here, you're so close, but yet so far away. That's the feeling that I have right now. So I'm gonna try to find a way to down there, but if it doesn't happen, I still thank God for allowing me to see this, you know? So it is what it is, but let's see if we can get some better shots. Look at that. Wow, look at this. It's amazing. So beautiful. All right, so unfortunately we couldn't go to the other one, but we got to this one, and this one looks incredible as well. As you can see, the sun came out, so let's try it. Water is kind of cold, but it feels good after this hike, so I'm glad I'm in here. Man, water is cold, but it's refreshing, and I'm trying to get to the waterfall. And look at these views, man. And this is hidden. This is what people don't come to. They don't come, they don't enjoy this stuff. So, only locals really come out here. So, you gotta enjoy it. And like I said, after such a hike, who wouldn't want to be in here? Look at my boy Chris up there, just chilling up there. I'm getting you here, guys. I'm doggy paddling you. I'm sure this is extremely deep here. I can't touch the bottom at all. But Here we are. We got a place to rest here. Here's a waterfall, baby! Woo! Woo! Oh man! This waterfall is warm compared to the water that was in here. Woo! Loving it right now. Here's my cousin. He was a little reluctant to go in, but he's in now.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Feels great. I just don't know how to swim.
It's okay, man. Doggy paddle, doggy paddle.
Doggy paddle's my life.
Ah. Sick views, man. Sick views.